Welcome student, myself Mudesh Sharma from the Department of Mechanical Engineering Assistant Professor. In previous video lecture, we discussed a small derivation about the energy stored in the flywheel. Now in today's lecture, I am going to discuss a numerical problem on turning moment diagram which is very essential. So we start. In previous lecture, we already discussed about what is flywheel, what is the coefficient of fluctuation of speed, coefficient of steadiness, etc. And last, drive and expression. So today's topic is numerical problem. So in a turning moment diagram for a multi-cylinder engine has been drawn to a scale 1 mm equals to 600 न्यूटन मीटर वर्टिकली. कोई एक टर्निंग मोमेंट डायग्राम है जिसके अंदर में दिया हुआ है कि एक mm जो हमारा इक्वल है एट पॉइंट y एक्सिस दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 600 न्यूटन मीटर and 1 mm equals to 3 degree in horizontally on axis 6 its value 1 degree equals to 3 degree 1 mm equals to 3 degree. The intercepted areas between the output torque and curve the mean resisting line, these are taken in order from one end as follows: plus 52 minus 124 192 minus 140 plus 85 minus 72. Okay, so these area represent the value of energy which is above the mean resisting torque line or below the mean resisting torque line. Like 52 is above the mean torque line and minus 124 is below the mean torque line. We already talked about. When the engine is running at a speed of 600 rpm, that is, it represents the capital N, that is equals to 600 rpm. If the total fluctuation of speed is not to be exceed plus minus 1.5%, that means the value that means the value that means the value the total fluctuation of speed is not to be exceed plus minus 1.5% of the mean speed. That means the value omega 1 minus omega 2 is equals to 3% of omega. Okay, we will discuss. So now find the necessary mass. Here we calculate mass of the flywheel. Radius is already given 0.5 meter. So these are the given data. Capital N 600 rpm, then omega equals to 62.84 by the formula of 2 pi n upon 60, and capital R already given is 0.5 meter. Now the omega 1 minus omega 2, because we know that the basically difference omega 1 minus omega 2 is equals to omega 1 minus omega 2. That means 1.5 minus 1.5 minus, that means that is the equals to 3% of omega. So you can understand the value of how we can calculate the value of CS, that is 3%, and it is equals to 0.03. Okay, this is the diagram for this numerical. 52 is above, 124 below, 92 is above, 140 below, 85 is above, 72 is below, and 107 is above. Okay. Since the turning moment diagram, it is very important. Scale is 1 mm equals to 600 Newton meter. We know that the energy equals to T into theta. Energy is equals to T into theta. That is the area covered by this. So, if uh, 1 mm equals to 600 Newton meter and 1 mm equals to 3 degree, and we convert this 3 degree in radian, that is equals to pi x upon 180, that means pi upon 60 radian. Then 1 mm 1 mm equals to 1 mm equals to square equals to 600 into pi into 60, pi into 60, that is equals to 31.42 in Newton meter square. We already discussed in previous video lecture how can we determine the maximum fluctuation of energy by the helping turning moment diagram. So we calculate the value at each and every point. Okay, at point A we equals to E, at point B it is equals to this one. Similarly we can calculate at each and every point, and then we can see at point B we found maximum energy, at point E we take minimum energy. So energy at point H is equals to A, because the every cycle is repeat itself. So we know that maximum fluctuation of energy is equals to maximum energy minus minimum energy, that is equals to E plus 52 minus E minus 120, that is equals to 5404 Newton meter, like this. Now in the question, examiner asks what is the mass of the flywheel. So mass of the flywheel is equals to, we use the formula delta E equals to small m capital R square omega square into Cs. So m equals to 183 kg, like this. So I hope you will understand this numerical problem by helping this PPT video. Now this is the last topic, flywheel in punching press. The function is same as well as flywheel. The function of flywheel in an engine reduce the fluctuation of speed when the load on the crankshaft is constant and the input torque varies during the cycle. So the flywheel can be also used to perform the same function when the torque is constant. So such an application is found punching press or rotating machine. Okay, so I hope you will understand by helping this video. Thank you so much. In next video lecture we will discuss the next topic on some numerical problem.